All right, so this is John. What do you do it? Got Josh Ajima here. He's going to give us his story.
All right, so hi, I'm Josh Ajima. I'm an educator in Virginia, and to tell you the truth, my story is I was close to getting burned out. Like I was really searching for something to kind of improve my instructional practice. My school district had been talking about going one-to-one with computers for like years and years and years, and just waiting and waiting for something to happen. So I was looking for something that I could do on my own in a school, kind of underneath the radar, and so 3D printing was kind of it. Like PrinterBot had this deal where you could get a 3D printer for $500. A graduate class was going to be like $650, and so I said, well, I'm just going to buy the 3D printer and just go all in. And I started blogging. I started on Twitter. And I started designing models and kind of sharing different stuff out. That led real quickly to me becoming like the STEM camp 3D printer guy. So somebody paid me to do 3D printing all summer. Being an educator in 3D printing led to me writing for Make Magazine, right? I was part of the 2014 and 2015 3D printer review teams. I've done speaking talks in maker fairs and conferences and different stuff. People actually have been paying me recently to actually go and talk about 3D printing and maker spaces at their conferences. I ended up becoming a Stanford Fab Learn Fellow and winning the U.S. Department of Education CTE Makeover Challenge. We were one of 10 schools in the country to do that, and I was able to present and tell a compelling story based on like all the work that I've done 3D printing. And so I ended up bringing like $50,000 in cash and prizes into my school to build a school makerspace. And so, you know, I've been promoting 3D printing and makerspaces around my district, around the state. I became the Virginia Society for Technology and Education's Innovative Educator of the Year. I won Formlab's 3D Design Award for Top Educational Model, but all of this stuff was based on me in 2013 just like making that decision to pull the trigger and buy a 3D printer and share that experience with other people. And so now I'm moving from a regular high school to a STEM high school, and I helped do the design work and equip out a full-scale like luxury maker space. And so I'm not going to be able to be a full-time maker educator this year, but I'm hoping the year after that. And so really I'm making, this has led to me making 3D printing and digital fabrication and making with students my entire life. And so as I'm doing that, right, like a lot of people do similar sorts of things, but they don't share it. Like you don't hear those stories. You'll catch glimpses sometimes at conferences or in tweets and stuff like that. And so the thing that I kind of push is trying to put the stuff that I'm doing out in the world to encourage other people to do the same thing. I think teachers need to tell their story. They need to tell the world what their students are doing. There's a whole untapped market, right? There should be, I don't know why there aren't like maker education superstars in the same way like there's DIY superstars like Jimmy DiResta and all of that crew of people. But I definitely think there's room for teachers and educators and students to be part of this whole scene. So that in a nutshell is my story.
Thank you so much, Josh.
That's a little long-winded. You cut it down.
No, I don't think I have to. He's on his A game, man. On his A game. All right, Josh Ajima here. Thank you so much for the interview, brother.
All right, great to meet you. Appreciate it.
So, John Stefano, you do it here with PeeWeeJedi. All right, tell us your story.
So I started 3D printing a couple of years ago. I found a 3D printer at my local library and just fell in love with it, saw it once in class, kept on doing it, and now I'm the assistant manager of the printer area.
So you have a makerspace that you are the assistant manager of. Yo, how old are you?
13.
13 years old, he's assistant manager. That's awesome. Your whole future is paved just because of that, huh?
Yeah.
That's an awesome experience. Did you make this?
Yeah.
Behind you? Let's see it.
Yeah, man. $100 for a 3D printer.
14 separate pieces.
14 pieces. Now, what was it printed on?
Low spot mini.
Low spot mini. What's the build area of that?
It's like 150 millimeters by 150 millimeters by like 150-ish.
All right, that's awesome. And where are you based out of?
Outside of DC.
Outside DC? Okay, I'm from South Jersey. All right, hold that position. Hold that position.
How many guys can be over here with cameras at the same time?